Good evening and welcome to you all. I'm really very happy that Kaveri Hospital, in partnership with the Round Table, we are restarting the program of pediatric cardiac surgery again. I was speaking to my friends. We were one of the first hospital to do this in partnership with the Round Table. In between, we couldn't continue, and then under the chairmanship of Kunal and Dr. Karthik and Karthik Narayanan, I'm happy that we are starting again. Pediatric cardiology is really a double whammy. Pediatric cardiac surgery itself is technically difficult. It's not an easy surgery. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. Orthopedic surgery is a simple, straightforward prayer. It is technically difficult. Pediatric cardiac surgery experts are very the diagnosis is difficult. Surgery pediatric ICU is difficult and challenging. So, a difficult procedure, automatically the cost of healthcare also goes up. Experts and the other interesting thing is, most of the time, at least what I have observed, and that reasonable evidence suggests the pediatric cardiac and the congenital abnormalities, the child is born with congenital cardiac defects, it's common among the lowest socioeconomic strata of the people. It's not only in India, it's even all the developing countries, Africa, unfortunately, the pediatric cardiac surgical defect, the congenital anomalies, the children born with these anomalies, is common among the lowest socioeconomic strata. So the parents really suffer, parents and the children. Or a child in the cardiac defect, breathlessness, repeated hospital admissions, the whole family or economic productivity affected. And also they don't know where to go. Well, diagnosis delay diagnosis surgery cost challenge private health government hospital setup or government healthcare system or private hospital, one single private hospital cannot do. So that's why we need organizations like the Round Table to support this program. I mean, the Round Table, I'm sure you all know and they will also tell. And then I'm really happy that Dr. Rajmal, Dr. Karthik, Mr. Karthik Narayan and Kunal, they have taken up the project again. They are promising to sponsor more than 100 surgeries, not this year, within next 4 months. So that is a great achievement to have 100 complex pediatric cardiac surgery within a matter of next 4 to 6 months. It's no easy task. And I wish them all the best. And I promise that from Kaveri Hospital, whatever support is needed, we assure you, apart from the expertise as well. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
I welcome everyone present here for the event. Hearts 100. This is a pet project of Madras Anchorage Round Table 100. This initiative aimed to enhance the accessibility of cardio healthcare for children belonging to the weaker section of the society. This program is structured in such a way that it helps children to avail treatment for all the heart defects. Patients from other hospital states are also being benefited through this initiative. When we started this initiative, that is 2016, it was Kaveri is our, we can tell is our birthplace for Hearts 100. We did initially about 200 surgeries in the first year. That was a remarkable achievement for all of us. When we started this initiative, we never thought we would touch so many children's life. Kaveri Hospital and our generous donors for the cause has made this possible through the various screening camps, providing necessary support through the expert doctors, high-end medical care. We will continue to offer our support and help to as many as children possible. So it's called Little Hearts and Big Smile. So that is why we call it as Hearts 100. Thank you.
To add something here about Round Table India. Of course, Round Table India is an organization for young men. The unique nature of this association is that we all retire at the age of 40, and our prime goal of giving back to the society is a flagship project called Freedom Through Education. Freedom Through Education, of course, is a 20-year-old commitment from all of our tablers. In fact, every single day over the last 20 years, we've been building at least one classroom. So we build classrooms for the underprivileged kids, and that is our prime project. Of course, apart from that, every club is completely they can go ahead and take a project of their own. And one such initiative of MART 100 is Hearts 100. If you will notice, these are additional projects that clubs can do. So apart from Hearts 100, there are so many other projects that are also in the limelight. So this organization, of course, strives to give back something to the society. Society has given us a lot. We are all well educated. God has been kind. Now is the time, I believe, for us to give back to the society, and that is what we are doing through this club. Thank you so much, members of the press. I hope this information goes out to the public, and the public can help us in various projects as well. Thank you so much.
2017 award at the 8th Annual India Leadership Conclave in Mumbai. She won Rising Star of the Year Edison Awards 2018. She won Women's Excellence Abdul Kalam Award in 2018. She won as Best Debut Actress Award by Saima. Her current projects are Alampana, where she is playing lead.
Hi, good afternoon. I am very, very proud and happy to be here because my basic principle of life is as humans, all of us need to have this quality, one quality called humanity, and to help each other as much as possible. And I believe most of us, including me and all of them out here who belong to the round table, are at a level that we can do some bit to help others who are in need. And unfortunately, there are a lot of people who are born with disabilities, diseases, and a lot of things, and they don't have the kind of money to afford treatments. And I think the best thing we can do as people who have something to help them is just to help them whenever and whatever we can and whichever way is possible. So this Hearts 100 is a beautiful initiative because when I heard about it, even I was surprised to know that there are so many children born with heart disabilities. I didn't even know this happens. So thanks to Round Table and all the information I got from them, that I got to know that there are so many babies born with this problem. So imagine the state of their parents, who are looking forward to their kids, and this is the problem and they cannot afford a treatment. I think this is a beautiful initiative, and I think I am blessed to be a part of such a beautiful initiative. And thank you, Kaveri Hospital, for encouraging such a beautiful thing. So I really wish all the best for this wonderful, wonderful initiative, and I hope more such treatments and more such initiatives happen. 100 children are going to get benefited from this. I want this information to go out to everybody, and all the parents in need who are not able to afford treatments for their babies should come ahead, contact the Round Table, and make sure their kids get treated. Like 300 children have been treated in the past by Round Table. So this Round Table 100 also, I'm sure, is going to do a great job. And all the very best. Thank you for calling me here. And thank you so much for doing this amazing initiative. I think this is beautiful. Thank you so much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைபும் பண்ணுங்க.